Dear student class 5, today I'm going to discuss about the chapter 7, the violation of topic 3, the violation of children's rights. Children's rights are violated in various ways in our society. Some children are deprived of their right to education because their family cannot afford to send them to school. You know, our country is a developing country, and many peoples did not take their food, and their earning capacity is very poor, and their lifestyle and standard of life uh, below poverty line. So they did not they can't meet up their basic needs, and as a result they can't afford to send them to school, their children. Some children have to work in the field, in brick clean, big in, or in factories, or in factories. Although children's child labor child labor below the age of 18 has been illegal. Already child labor has been banned in developed countries, but in developing countries child labor is going on. So the age of 18 has been illegal. Below the age of 18 has been illegal for child labor. At first we have to know what is child labor. Whose age below 18 and they work in office, garage, as a motor mechanic, as a servant, as a tea seller, flower seller, as a garments worker. This is called child labor. Some children are homeless, especially in the cities, because their family cannot afford housing. When you walking or passing the foot overbridge or footways, you see some children sitting on the footways or footpath, and they live there because they are homeless. Sometimes children are missing from the family. These guys are sitting on the road. Sometimes children are punished physically, although it is illegal. When they worked as a maid servant at home, they tortured physically or mentally. Some children are trafficked, which means transporting them elsewhere to go to do illegal work. Actually, trafficking means some bad people mm, influence them to arrange a job, and for this reason many child and women trapped agree them, and they are fall in trouble, and trapped themselves, trapped by the bad people, and they trafficked another country, like India, Thailand, Bangkok. Already child labor and trafficking is illegal in our country. In all these cases, if we hear of children whose rights are being violated, we should tell someone in authority. It's our citizen rights. Look, discuss with your teacher what you would do if. Discuss with your teacher what you would do if you show children being violated in these ways. Do you have the right to tell their parents what the children are entitled to? How much can you interfere? If I see any child being violated in any way, I will talk to my teacher about it. Besides, I will try my best to establish his or her rights. Look, choose one of the examples opposite and describe what you would do if you saw another child being mistreated. If I see a child being mistreated, number 1 point, I will find out the reason of the mistreatment. I will try to find out a way to stop it. Number 3, if this don't work, I will speak to the elders about it. In small groups, act out a role play. Choose one of the examples opposite and act out how you would try to report the offense. One should be the victim, one a witness, and one be someone in authority. In small groups, we can act out a role play. The example is given below. Trafficking of children is a violation of human rights. We can act it out. Russell goes to school every day. While going to school, a man offers him biscuits, chocolate, etc. The shopkeeper of the locality observes it. He complains to the local police station and gets the man arrested. Here I describe which type of people who kidnap and traffic the child, who offer many things, which child is very like biscuit, chocolate, games, etc. How do children benefit more from education than from laboring for their family? If a child is not involved in child labor, he can acquire knowledge and can have a bright future. The violation of women's rights. Number 4 topics. Here are examples of how women's rights are violated in our society. Girls may not receive equal education to boys. In our country's perspective, we have some moral or outlook problems or values problems. Here, girls father and brother is all in all in the family. For this reason, father's decision is final decision, and if you see the village situation, girls may not receive equal education to boys. Women may not be given equal jobs to men. It's a mental problem because developing country, male dominating country, so they can't want to equal rights or position to women. Women at work may not receive equal pay to men. Domestic helpers may not be given the pay or food or health care that they are entitled to. It's a common picture. Uh, some peoples uh, did not treat can't did not treat their servant as a person or as a man. They may not given the pay or food or health care for them. More domestic helpers are now being trafficked. For this reason, domestic helper actually free from this situation, and they take a strong decision to go to abroad, and for this reason they trafficked by the bad people and trafficked to work in another countries because they are desperate to earn more money because their family is very poor. For this reason they desperated to get a job. We should not tolerate this situation. We should fight for the rights of everyone to be treated equally. Discuss with your teacher whether girls and women are treated equally to men. What examples have you seen of unequal treatment? What can you do about it? How can we change people's attitude? It is very important to change the people's attitude. Examples of inequality: in case of job, in case of education, getting proper wage, proper food and service. We should discuss this matter with all. Behave well with the women so that they does not feel that they are inferior. When you unequal and unequal and dominating behavior to show the woman and child, they become feared and they have inferiority. They will be they will fall inferiority complex. So we have to conscious about this. We show the best attitude or behavior to the women and children. Next, be right. Why is it important to stop the trafficking of women and children? Trafficking of women and children should be stopped because it is against the human rights. Human rights charter already declare trafficking trafficking is against for human rights, and the trafficked children are made to do very risky works. Sometimes they will be treated as camel jockey, and sometimes the bad people who kidnap or trafficked them, they sold their body organ for body organ in neighboring country like India. They are very dangerous, and this type of work and this type of very risky work, if such kind of acts are seen, we should inform it to the police. If you have any doubt uh, or seen this type of activity, at first you should inform it to the police. In some groups act out a role play. Suppose a girl is not allowed to go out to play somewhere where boys plays. It's our traditional attitude. Don't mix up the boys, don't mix up the girls. It is elder guardian told the children, but it is traditional attitude. How would you argue for girls' rights to play in the same way as boys? One plays the mother, one plays the father, and one plays the girls. Make a small group of 3 students. One should will play the play one should we play the one student will play the role of a mother and one will play the role of a father, and the other one will play the role of a girl. Now discuss the mentioned issue. Actually you have role play, it means acting in some issue on the in some issue. Suppose you acting a drama, create a drama like on your class, then make a small group at first of 3 students, and one student will play the role of mother and one will play the role of father, and the other one will play the role of the girl, and discuss the mentioned issue. Check D. Look, how should we treat our household helpers? We should behave very well with our household helpers because they help. They help lot. When you ready to go outside to school, to office, to market, then these household helpers help you more. They help us in our household works daily. We should give them proper food, clothes as we use, and shelter, so that they feel secure and happy. And it is our, and we follow the human rights of Human Charter of UN. So we should follow the good behavior. Allah Hafiz.